Hi, today we are going to solve an integral where cosine has power of 2. So what we need to do in this case? We don't like it, actually. So we need to write a formula for cosine of 2x. Cosine of 2x equals to cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x. And here we can see our cosine to the power of 2. But now we need to remove sine from here. How can we do it? We can use formula of sine to the power of 2 plus cosine to the power of 2 equals to 1. And from this formula, we can see that sine squared is equal to 1 minus cosine of x to the power of 2. So here we can see now that cosine square of x minus, minus 1 minus cosine squared of x, and it is equal to cosine squared of x minus and minus give us plus cosine squared of x, and we have 2 cosine squared of x and minus 1. So from here we can see that cosine to the power of 2 is equal to cosine of 2x plus 1 from here, plus 1, and we need to divide it by 2. So this is final equation, and we can put it here. So our integral will be equal to integral of cosine of 2x plus 1 divided by 2 and dx. And now we can split it into two integrals. 1 divided by 2 I can put in front of the sign of integral, then cosine of 2x dx plus 1 divided by 2 integral of dx. And now we see that here we have 2x and here we have x. So we can multiply it by 2. So if we multiplied it, we need to divide it. And we obtain this line 1 divided by 4 integrals of cosine of 2x d 2x plus 1 divided by 2 dx. So, and now we can obtain our result. We know that derivative of sine gives us cosine, so here will be sine of 2x plus 1 divided by 2 x plus c, where c is constant from real numbers.